You know how to do it. And then we heard like screaming in the distance, like non-stop. Road parked. Getting our waterproofs on, and then I don't know if you can see, there's people walking just there all across the moorlands. It's my birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me!
Shut up.
Welcome back!
Hello again.
What are we doing today, Gaz?
Well, we was gonna go out to a club and go for a nice meal and then go to probably Blackpool theme park, but obviously not.
No.
So what we're actually doing is going on a walk.
Going on a walk in the rain at the Peak District.
We was going to go to a waterfall, but it's raining, so we've just randomly stopped, haven't we, on the side of the road at the top of Snake Pass, and we're just going on a walk. And then we're having a mad one later because we've got Scrabble. And
Yeah.
we're gonna play a Scrabble drinking game.
Oh, woo! So if you want to see that, then stick around.
Yeah.
And obviously some views on this walk.
So we are either at Hope Woodlands Moor or the High Peak, or both. High Peak. We're at the High Peak of the Moor.
Yeah, I think this is the moor, and then that's the High
And
Peak.
we've parked, literally drive up to Snake Pass. We've just parked at the top on the side of the road. We're just randomly going on a walk here.
We're off!
And we're off.
Some quite cool marshlands here, isn't there, Gaz?
Very fucking great.
Alright, so there's not too much to show you at the moment, is there, Gaz?
No, it's just like a straight path. We've got the road on our right and a big, massive fucking hill on the left.
Which is where we hope we're going to, but...
Yeah, we hope we're going to the hill, but who knows?
Who knows?
It's like a little path trail though, isn't it?
Yeah, I quite like the fact that we don't know where we're going though. It's quite interesting.
Yeah.
Usually we look it up beforehand, but...
Hopefully it doesn't rain too much.
I know, imagine it chucks it down and we're like an hour from the car, but hence the puffer jacket. I'm prepared.
So we've been walking for about, how long do you reckon?
I don't know, half an hour maybe?
Yeah, and we thought we'd be going to that big hill over there,
That we've been showing on the camera.
but actually it's going the other way, so we don't really know where we're heading to, but
I think it looks quite cool.
yeah, it's like a little channel in between the hills, isn't it, and just walk through that, so.
The thing is about this though, we don't know if it's going to be like a 1 hour walk or like
12 hours.
12 hour walk.
Yeah,
So-
we might see you in 8 hours, we might see you in half an hour.
Yeah, and it's going to rain in 2 hours.
Viewpoint.
And here's a 360.
Viewpoint 1.
Just that, Gaz.
I think it might be that way.
Ooh,
This way.
why would you say that?
You know.
Maybe there's massive arrow.
You're not videoing.
No, we are. Right, slight dilemma. So this looks like the right way, but then
The big hill we want to go to is this way.
that goes up.
Yeah, let's go up here.
We'll try up here.
Oh.
Don't know. Questionable whether this is the path. It's getting very wet. Nah.
And we're back. It was the wrong way. It was the wrong way.
Yeah, so we'd suggest just following the path that looks obvious. Oh, I just almost slipped. Knowing me, I probably would just fall into there. Whoa. Right, so if you just walk off to the right and then walk down the little
Yeah,
slope.
just follow the path and walk down. You'll see a nice little waterfall.
Yeah, and I think like in the summer you can probably go paddling in it. So we don't know where we're going.
Been walking for about an hour and 15 minutes. Saw a nice waterfall though.
Yeah, every time we turn a corner, I'm literally like, it's going to be here, whatever here is or it.
It's absolutely pissing it down, so I think we're going to give it, what, another half an hour to see where we get to, and then if not, just call it a day and go back, I reckon.
Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully just around this corner
We're going to get there and there'll be like the only open pub in England.
Oh my god, imagine.
McDonald's, Golden Arches.
Oh yes, you know how to do it. Guys, we've seen something.
There's rocks.
There's a rock formation that looks pretty darn cool.
Yeah, that's where we're going to today anyway.
Yeah, we can't go any longer.
That's the end of the walk, but it will be for us.
Yeah, it definitely is. I think it looks cool. It's exciting. The end is near. All right, so we've somehow walked past it. This probably isn't the high peak that was advertised at the start. But we just want to get to those rocks. We've been walking for quite a long time now.
We made it.
I wasn't even watching, but then I just saw that you slipped.
Take two. So we made it to the, I don't know, what is it, the top of a rock maybe?
Yeah, I don't think this is where it leads to.
Yeah, but we've been walking for about 2 hours, so I think we're going to turn back now. We've chilled on the rock and had a bit of water and had a snack, and then we're going to walk back.
Yeah, it's nice, definitely.
Yeah, but there's absolutely nothing around.
No one around, so we can
No one around except one sheep. So we're heading back the same way.
Halfway back now.
We're halfway back now. It's raining quite a lot, so we haven't done much filming, have we?
No, and also feet are soaking wet, and you guys have seen what this road looks like, so.
But yeah, we'll catch up with you when we're back.
Yep. Oh, look at the little lambs. Gaz, do your bar. Alright, so the weirdest thing happened on those rocks, but we couldn't tell you because the people were behind us. So we were like coming down, and then we heard like screaming in the distance, like non-stop. And then this
Sounded like someone was going, help, help.
Yeah, Gaz kept going, it's just a sheep. I was like, no, it's someone shouting for help. And then some man appeared, and we were like, all right, okay. And he was like, oh, is there, what's it called, Gaz?
Aircraft ruins.
Is it aircraft ruins around here? Have you seen it? And we were like, no, we've just gone on this walk, we don't know where we're going. Anyway, he was like, oh, we're looking for this aircraft ruins. And then this woman's still shouting. He's like, oh, that's my wife. She's just checking where I am.
I left her down there half an hour ago, trying to find these ruins. So he's just left his wife in the rain, half an hour down the road. You can just hear her screaming, can't you?
Yeah, and like even though he shouts back, he's like, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. She's still screaming like, help, help.
Yeah,
anyway,
it's very weird.
We turned it into a horror film in our heads, but actually we saw them together and everything was fine. So not to worry, but very strange situation on this walk.
So we're going to go back to the house now, get something to eat and maybe play some drinking Scrabble.
Cheers to me. Now we're going to get on to drinking game of Scrabble for my birthday. So you have to shot every time.
Shot comes in the word.
Yeah, so if you get an S-H-O-L-T, then you have to take a
shot.
Then you have to shot. I'm drinking Prosecco, you're drinking beer?
Yeah, you have to do a shot of it.
Yeah.
And then the loser has to do a shot.
Yeah.
Bum.